One of the most critical components to video is a hook. And the same applies to BombBomb. Because of the 3-second loop, when you send your BombBombs to your audience, capturing their attention in that first 3 seconds on that loop is how you get them to click on the email. So here's a few examples that I use when I send BombBombs. The traditional whiteboard method. This, to me, is probably the most personal way that you can touch your audience. So when you're sending a message, so in this case, I'm sending a message to Ethan, he knows that this message is directed directly to him, and he's a lot more liable to open it than thinking it's just a mass message that I'm sending out to a huge audience. Another example would be something simple like this. Just kind of showing a little personality, showing a little excitement is going to probably just raise up the recipient to where the odds of them opening that message increase by a large amount. Another fun example that I like to do is pretend I'm not paying any attention and I sit there with my finger up my nose like this. Again, remember, 3-second loop, you're just trying to grab their attention because it's just looping over and over again, either on their phone or in their email. And then another fun example is what I would call the creeper intro. It goes something like this. So remember, you're gonna have a countdown on BombBomb like you usually would, so pay attention to it. And as it's counting down, you just rise up like that. So how you open up your videos in that first 3-second loop is probably the difference between getting a much higher open rate or a much higher view rate than if you are just texting it or if you're just sitting there staring at the camera. So make sure you use those hooks wisely.